Welcome back to another Temu video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing us how you can get discounts on the items in your carts, thereby reducing the amount of money you need to pay as your total, okay? So go to your carts and make sure you've selected everything you want to pay for. Just anything at all it is, go ahead and select it. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to the You section of the app. You click on you click on Messages, and then you go to Promotions, okay? In this promotion page, you're going to be seeing all the amazing coupons, gifts, and offers that Temu is offering you on the app. Oh, I mistakenly clicked on one, so I'm just going to cancel it. So you're going to see all the amazing coupons and offers that Temu offers you. Now, you need to take your time and go through it. My favorite ones are the 1 cent deals. Yes, for the 1 cent deals, the highest I've gotten so far on the number of items in my cart is 2 items. I get to pay 1 cent for 2 items, like 1 cent each. And the number of discounts I've gotten of this 1 cent is, just on 2 items. So take your time and go through it. This one says 17 euros off. Other ones, why I don't like other ones is that they actually come with you know it comes with terms and condition, of course, and I don't want that. For this one, it says I have to spend up to 50 euros, so no, I don't want that. So let's see this credit back, what it says. Of course, I don't like credit back, so I'm just going to go straight to the 1 cent, okay? Here, I have a 1 cent deal waiting for me. So I'm just going to click on claim, and from here, whenever you click on your 1 cent deal, they're going to show you all the, if not all, at least more than 50% of items you have in your carts. So go ahead and choose whatever it is you want, okay? Whatever it is you choose, they'll be giving it to you for 1 cent. So I'll advise that you choose the most expensive item you have on your cart, all right? So for me, going through this now, the most expensive item, yes, is this. So I'll just click on it and see if they'll give me 1 cent. Sometimes they might not give 1 cent if the item is actually a bit expensive, but they'll give you a really, really good discount. So let's click on this and see how much discount I get. All right. 39% off, I mean, is something. I get to pay just 7 euros. So I'll confirm the selection is something. I appreciate that. So this is, the original price was at 12 euro. Now I get to pay just 7 euro 82 cents. Is something, okay? So let's go back and see if I also get another 1 cent deal, because like I said, that is my favorite. That's really my favorite. So once you click on claim, you can't, like, on that particular one, you can't claim 2 items. It's just one. Extra discounts in your cart items. Yes, this is exactly what you want to look out for. Extra discounts in your cart items. So let's click on it and see. You see, they say, sorry, only one discount item can be activated. So let me just go back to, like, old offers that has been, awarded to me that I didn't claim, and see if I can get anyone. What we are looking for is the 1 cent deal, okay, or discounts in our carts. All right, this is a 1 cent deal. Let's see. Let's see if, well, this one comes with, they say buy for 52 euro 80 cent, get 3 items only. No, anyone that comes with something that I have to do, I don't go for it. Now there is another one here. They said extra discount for you, grab. Let's click on it and see if it works. Okay, review, and okay, so this is going to work. I'm going to choose a cup and see. The original price of the cup was at €6, and I'm giving another 38% off. Wow, I'm not so lucky today. Usually I get 1 cent. I don't know what's happening today, but I'm happy for the discount. I mean, it's better than paying full price. It's really is worth it. So whenever you want to place any order on Temu, make sure you come here and get your offers. Don't just go ahead and pay full price when you can get discounts on one or two items. Let's see this one, discount blind box. Okay, let's see. I hope this doesn't come with something for me to do because I don't want that. Okay, let me choose this. Let's choose this. 1 cent. Let's choose this. Enjoy discount. Blue color. Okay, you see, I've gotten a slippers for 1 cent. I told you, yes. So let's see if we can choose some another one. You see, the first one was for 1 cent. Now adding another one is they're not going to give me the 1 cent. So yeah, I'm done here. Let's go and look for another 1 cent deal. Okay. Discount blind box. If you also see this discount blind box, go ahead to choose it. Okay. The discount that I'm seeing here is not really, I mean, it's still on the low side, but this is not what I want. I need something lower. Okay, let's see this. Seems like I've exhausted all my discounts. This is for the gifts, so you can also come here to claim free gifts. Of course, it comes with qualifying order. You should be aware. Discount box again. Well, so if you keep going and then you realize that there is no more 1 cent deal, then it's time for you to just go on and check out. Let's see if this will work. Go to carts. um that didn't work. They didn't give me because, like I said, I already have three discounts going on here. So yes, they didn't give me for the cup. Let's see. I think that is it. No more discounts for me. I mean, it's something. I already got enough. Anyway, it's time to check out. So let's see. Let me go back to my cart and we'll see the magic. So now I'm in my cart. Now, I got three items on a discount. I got one for 1 cent. This kids crocs. I also got this filter stuff. The initial price is €12 and I get to pay just €7 82 cents. And I got this insulated stainless steel tumbler. Initial price is for €6 58. I get to pay €4 and 5 cents. So it's really something. I mean, imagine that you didn't know about this and maybe you just went ahead to place an order and you just paid immediately. Only for you, I mean, it's better you learn it now or you know about it now so that next time when you're placing an order, before you go ahead to pay, get you some discounts. I mean, a lot of people don't know about this. I discovered it and I told myself I'm going to share it here on this platform for everyone to know. So if you love to order from Temu, this is a secret, okay? Of course, it's not a secret anymore. Share to your family and friends so that they can also get to know about this and get some discounts before they pay. I mean, who wants to pay full price when there is an option for you to pay half price or even less than half price? So Let me know if this works for you, okay? When you're placing your next order, just do exactly as I've shown you. Let me know if it works for you and we'll discuss in the comment section, okay? Thank you for watching to this point. I hope you've gotten value from this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.